Let us launch a Zoom meeting. It has already been scheduled. So it is asking me join with computer audio. Yes. So I have joined. I am muted. So let me unmute myself. I'm not starting my video. If I want, I can start. Now here you can see share screen written. Can you see this? So I have to now share the screen. Now on my screen, this introduction to qualitative research is already open. I have already opened this file. So I click this and this is screen. Introduction to qualitative research. I have already opened this file and then I share this. See, this file is visible to me. I can use a slideshow. Slideshow from beginning. Now I can see the entire slide. Now I'm moving to next slide, third slide, fourth slide, and on the top of the screen, I can see you are screen sharing. It is showing you are screen sharing. It means I am sharing my screen and my audio is also visible. Whether my video is there or not, that I can't show. Now here I can see the mute. I can start my video. So when I start my video, you can see that I am visible on one side. Security, participants just one because I am the only one. Chat, if I write something, that is also visible. If I'm writing hi everybody, so this is visible. New share, pause share, annotate, and whenever I want to stop sharing my file, I can click this red button, stop share. I think that's all. Now if I don't want to share the full slide, so I think this is enough for you. So I am sharing